In this video, I'll show you how to change the language in Gamma AI. First, from your dashboard, click your profile icon at the bottom left, then go to Settings. Under Language, you'll see the current language. Like for instance, here you can see that I have it in English. Just click it, and then we have a lot of languages here. So just pick the language that you want. For me, I'm gonna choose Polish. And then hit the blue button to apply the changes. That's it, your account language is updated. Now, if you want to change the language of a presentation, just open the Gamma presentation you're working on. And then you can highlight the text that you want to translate. And then click the sparkle icon. And you can type your prompt. For example, you can say translate to Polish. Then just hit enter and your text will be instantly translated. So that's how you can change the language in Gamma AI. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful.